friends, welcome to Coding Bit by Bit. Today's session is going to be a tribute from my side to Father of our nation, and I am going to use concepts learned in my earlier tutorials 1 to 3 to make drawings of Gandhiji using coding. Excited? But before we proceed, a quick summary of what we have learned so far. Friends, in tutorials 1 to 3, we have been focusing on exploring the artist section of code.org, where we have learned how to move the artist around, draw lines, make shapes and patterns using loops. And if you are liking my tutorials on code.org and videos and want me to make more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. So are you all set? Okay, so let me first share with you the inspiration of my drawing. I'm going to Google search a simple line drawing for Gandhiji. I remember a simple drawing that I had seen in school before. Let me see if I'm able to find it. Found it! Yes, this is the perfect one. I like this one because I think I can make this drawing using basic shapes like lines and circles. So let's get the basic structure in place. First, I'm going to use circles to make the back, head, and the ears. Remember in tutorial 3, we learned how to use a loop to make a circle? Not seen that tutorial? Don't worry, here's a quick recap. For drawing a circle, we need to move the artist by X number of pixels and then turn by 1 degree and repeat the step 360 times. So for the back, we are going to use a big circle and we only need to use a semicircle. So a quick tip to draw a semicircle. We only need to repeat the step 180 times. If we need an even shorter segment, we just decrease the number further. And if we need a bigger segment, we increase the number further. We are going to use this concept when making the head and ears. So the back is made. Now I am going to make the ears. For this, we need to move the artist to the right place, to which I am going to use jump command. Remember, the over pixels moves the artist from left to right and down makes the artist move from top to bottom. So we are going to keep increasing these till we reach the right place. Okay, this looks fine now. So since I am trying to make the simple basic shape, first I am going to use segment of a shorter circle. So for the head, clearly we need a bigger circle, so I have increased the pixels and the count for the same. And for the right ear, I am just going to use the same code as we used for the left ear. So let me just complete the head. And for the right ear, I am just going to use the same code as we used for the left ear. However, the angle is coming as different, which depends on the position of the artist when finishing the previous command. So I am just going to insert a change angle to make it correct. Gandhiji also used to have a stick in hand. The last element is to draw the stick, which can be achieved by a simple move forward command. However, we need to adjust the position and angle of the stick. Yay! So we have a basic shape of Gandhiji ready. And depending on how much more we want to perfect the shape, we can make adjustments to the code. Let me show you another drawing which I made today. Here I have added some design elements to the previous code to make it look more lifelike. For example, instead of the semicircle back, I've used a line in a shorter segment of semicircle. I have made changes to the ears, so now they appear besides the face instead of where I'd drawn them last. I also made some changes to the stick, made it thicker and gave it a slanted end. I think I should also draw Gandhiji specs here. So I'm going to use a jump tool, and I think I will have to search for the correct position. So now we are going to get a turn right block, and then we are going to get a loop. Now this will be the slanted end. Now we are going to get a move forward and right move forward by 50 pixels. Now we are going to make the circle which we have, and then we are just going to jump. Now let's just add a move forward. First let's add a turn right because it stays on the degree where we used it last. I think 31 is straight. And then we're just gonna make the circle again. Let's just copy it. We're gonna add a turn right. I think. Let's just turn right. There. 280. This seems fine. First, let's add a turn right. Visible comes. This looks correct. Now let's just copy the slanting one. We'll just have to make this turn left. What do you think the drawing is looking like? I feel it is lacking some color, and I think our tricolor can be perfect for this drawing. Let's find the correct position. I think it should be 20 over, 20 down. That looks fine. And then for setting the color, we get the set color with red, green and blue. So we're going to search the colors. Okay. So just going to get that. 255, 153 and 51. Now we're going to get a move forward by, I just forgot to add the set width. I think it should be 20. That looks fine. Now let's just turn it a bit. The green color would be 19, 136 and 8. Okay, now let's just draw the line. Now for the blue dot, which is always there in the center of our flag. That's fine. Now let's get the move forward. We're going to make it just by 1 pixel. Now let's get the color. So the color of blue is 00128. Now let's just make it go away. I'm really happy on how this drawing has turned out. I'm providing the link of this project in the description, So feel free to explore and make changes and share your project links in the comments section. If you like the drawing, friends, don't forget to subscribe. This is Shaurya from Coding Bit by Bit, signing off. Bye bye.